So here all these elements which are inside the car, that is visible. Now you have to show the things which are ahead. That means, like, suppose this is the road. Up road, you are making like this. It's a straight road. I don't want to make it straight. I want to make it little bit curved. So I will make it like this. Here you can see, like, this is the part of the road which is near to you, that is supposed to be big, then small, then small, then small, like this. In fact, you can even show some vehicle which is going ahead. So we will rub this portion little bit. Why? We have to show some car or some van which is going. Now this is the part of the car which is near to you, big, and like as it is going ahead it is becoming small because of perspective, as we have discussed. The same way, if there is a huge bus which is going little bit more ahead, that will be smaller. So can you see that we can get the depth is achieved, like this is the part which is near, that is big, then small, then small. In fact, like the partitions in the road, that will also increase as they will come nearby, like this. In fact, these are the street lights near to you. As they are going further ahead, they are becoming smaller and smaller and smaller, like this. And at this far we can see the pillar of this flyover. all right. And in fact, we can see that like if it is like there is a flyover, so all those buildings also which we can see near to me, this is the building. Then as they are going a little bit far, they are becoming small. It should be heterogeneous, means some are smaller, some are bigger, not of same size. Otherwise it will create a monotony like this. Now it depends upon the size of the building. Like if any building is there which is at extreme far but it is like very big, so might be at this part we can draw a very big building like this. That is possible. Why? Because its size is extremely bigger as compared to these buildings. See, this is the solution. Like if any question is there, draw the scene of a fly. Imagine you are passing through a flyover, draw what you see with full details, proper details. So this is the solution, and this is actually applicable in NIFT also, NID also, and even like all the architecture colleges, like in the entrance exam of JEE as well as NATA. So this is, you can say, the hardcore question of perspective according to these exam patterns.